Hello, and welcome to JR Southwest Boutique. We are a small business, women, minority, and disabled owned, that makes boutique items inspired by the Southwest desert. We mostly sell on Etsy, but you can also find us on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest, and now here on YouTube. On our YouTube channel, we will be showing what we have available currently, projects that we are working on, and also some tutorials. So here we have some of the things available right now in our shop. We have a pair of slippers that are hard sole. They're beaded around the toe, and they're also fur lined. They are size 12 to 18 months. So if you are looking for a pair of these, you can find them on our Etsy shop. And also, if you wanted a pair of matching adult slippers, we could do that as well. So that's something we have ready to ship right now. We also have this pair of soft sole moccasins. They are black with a beaded fringe in orange, gold, and clear beads. This is made of a thin faux leather, and it has an elastic closure, so it can grow with your child. This is sized 0 to 3 months. We also have this pair, again, size 0 to 3 months, soft sole, with the Star of David in blue and an outline of some silver beads. So if you're looking for a pair of beaded moccasins for a Jewish holiday, we have these available right now in our Etsy shop. We also have a pair of Christmas shoes available, again, size 0 to 3 months, with a nice Christmas tree beading, fringe, and an elastic closure. So those are some of the things we have available right now. We love custom orders, so if you are looking for a custom product, just let us know. If you are wanting a custom design or custom beading, whatever it may be, just contact us on Facebook or on Instagram or Etsy, or also here on YouTube. So we also have a few projects that we are working on. Here is this beaded wallet. So we are working on this beaded wallet right now. Eventually, it will be folded over. There will be a zipper closure around here, and it'll be a nice little wallet. So that's one thing we're working on currently. We are also working on a pair of fringed moccasin boots. So we are doing actually an adult size. So we have cut out the pieces, and we have all the pieces ready for that. And we have also designed this circular flower pattern that will go on the toe of the moccasin. So if you are looking for adult moccasins, contact us as well. Or if you're just looking for some beaded slippers, we have done those for adults as well. Just let us know what you are looking for. So the last thing that we have going on right now is we have this beaded moccasin keychain. So this we did a few months ago, and if you want one, you can contact us. It also has a beaded sole. It has edge beading, toe beading, and then a picot beading along the top and the tongue. So we have been working on this for a while. What we have done is we have created a pattern. So if you are a beader or even a beginning beader and are wanting to do this project, we have some in-depth written instructions for you that will come with the pattern. We have laid it all out, and so even a beginner can follow along and do this project. This is now available on our Etsy shop, and it includes the pattern, written instructions, and we are also doing a video series here on YouTube that will go through each step of how you make the moccasin. So if you're more of a visual learner and you need something more than the written instructions, we are going to have a whole video series on how to make this moccasin keychain. So yeah, that is what we have coming up right now. We are also doing some painting projects, so we have that coming up soon. So look for tutorials, look for current projects, look for our current offerings and products, and that is what we are going to be doing here at JR Southwest Boutique on YouTube. So thanks for watching.